In this video, we will talk about a trading bot called SixTraders and their whole platform because they offer a lot of amazing crypto trading services. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video. And before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for SixTraders at the end of this video or in the middle if you want to check them out will be down in the description. So I would definitely recommend you to check out their platform during or after this video, in which I will tell you about SixTraders and all of the services they offer. So for now, let's get right into it. So SixTraders is a trading platform. It offers automatic trading bots that you can actually use for a different subscription fee. They have different services and different packages with different features that you can buy, purchase, and actually use from SixTraders. And essentially how they describe themselves is as your trusted partner for reliable and profitable trading signals. You can find them on their website, SixTraders.com, but again, all the links will be down in the description. Now, before we will talk about some of their services, because they have different packages, you can actually use different trading bots from them, and some offer support, some don't. And you can actually also purchase shares in SixTraders, which allow you to get some passive income while they do the trading. But first of all, here you can see their team. Their team is fully documented and they have a lot of experience in trading. You can also see that right here. You can also go to their website to find out some more information on them and their specialties. But now let's actually talk about some of the services that SixTraders offer. Alright, so here on the screen you can actually see the different packages they have. Basically what it is they have 3 different packages for trading bots, which is 100% automatic, by the way. You have quick support. They have customer service agents that actually can help you if you have any troubles with it, because it's very easy and good setup using API keys, and then automatically you can trade with it. And apart from that, all of these packages also have different estimated profits per month, because they actually allow you to use less or more trading bots. So they have 3 packages. Starter is $150 per month, Pro is $350 per month, and Premium is $800 a month. But you can see that the profit per month, and it's all done by trading bots they have developed, automatic trading algorithms, which you connect to your exchange account, for example, and they actually do the trading for you. Like I said, it's 100% automatic for all of these services, for all of these packages, and the profit ranges from 14% for the starter package per month, all the way up to 30% profit for a premium account. And then in the middle, you have a 22% profit for a $350 per month package called the Pro package. Now, if you want to learn more about these packages, basically what you do is you press learn more, and you can actually find out a little bit more on what it means. For example, for the Pro subscription, you need a verified Binance account, 7,000 USDT, and also an advanced subscription on 3 commas, which is one of the services they use to actually let you do the trading. Now here on this portal, you can also, and it's the same for the other 2 packages, you can also buy it right here and get enrolled within the package and with the trading bots. Now, apart from that, they also have 3 different packages, which are also very attractive in my eyes. For example, they have the simple 3 commas account, which provides basic spot signals for free on 3 commas. And this is perhaps not the most lucrative choice, but they estimate a 5% profit per month, which with a decent capital is actually still great profit. And like I said, it is for free. So if you want to know more about that, once more, all the links will be down in the description to their website, and you can just easily press this button down here and you will get more information. Now, apart from that, you can also purchase a share in SixShares, and you can receive the equivalent of 1 month's profit from the premium plan along with your initial capital at the end of the 30 days. So basically via this portal, once more, if you press the button down here, you can just find that very easily. You can actually purchase a share in SixShares and you will get the profit from the premium account, but you have to pay $1,000. All right, so you paid $1,000 to them, they trade with it, they make sure you get some profits, and then they return that 1,000, they repurchase the share with the revenue, and that's what you get back. So if you just want an easy option, buy a share and you can easily get some profits via this. Now, I have also purchased this service for 30 days, so I will also report back with another video on how this actually went, how the service was, what they did with the money, and what the return was actually like. So that was the SixShares option you have. You also have the Ultimate account, which is coming very soon, and that has 80% profit a month. And this is just purely done by their traders, manual trades to actually try to double your portfolio every single month. Now, if you want more information about SixTraders, once more, all the links also to their Telegram Telegram group and to their Twitter will be down in the description. But at their website, at the top menu here under help, you can also find out more about SixTraders and their team and how it works under frequently asked questions. So for example, how to get a refund and if that's possible, a little bit more about the team, but also the monthly subscriptions and how, for example, SixGuard works, which is actually a protection for your funds that, as you can see, is with the Pro and the Premium packages. So if you have any questions, I would definitely like to point you to the website to find out more about that. But for now, we've reached the end of this video. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.